What's up, dads? So, the biggest complaint I always hear is that meal prepping is so hard. Oh, it takes so long to cook all that food. I don't have the time in my life to do that. Excuse, excuse, excuse. I just want to show you how I quickly meal prep two of my proteins, my biggest ones, fish and chicken. This is a very simple procedure, what I do. And you can easily do the same at your place with just a couple of simple tools. The most important tool that I use for chicken is the Instant Pot. One of these guys. Actually, someone gave it to us on our wedding. I thought it was a rice cooker, and I was like, who the F would give us a rice cooker for our wedding day? Like, and I didn't touch it for a long time. And then my wife let me know how dumb I am, and that it's actually a pressure cooker. And I think I Googled like how to cook chicken in it, and I saw a video of someone doing it so quickly that I was like, all right, I'll give it a shot. And now it's my go-to. I'll be honest, the chicken doesn't come out tasting as good as it would like on a grill. That's my favorite. But how simple it is, it's worth like eating chicken that's not, awesome. But it's still pretty damn good. People enjoy it. So I'm not going to complain about it at all. It's how I've been doing it for about the last year, and I like it. So this is what I do. Your Instant Pot will come with one of these guys. You set it in the bottom. 2 cups of water. Done. Now you got to pour the chicken in. I bought 5 pounds of chicken at the store, just chicken breast. These ones are actually marinated, they're teriyaki, so very easy. This is what I do. Boom. Spread it around just a little bit in here. I just want them like wrapped up on each other, although I think they still cook just fine that way, but okay, that's done. Set it up. Manual. 10 minutes. You're done. So that's it. That's all I do for chicken. You'll see what I do when it finishes up. Now let's move on to the fish. A little avocado oil. Got tilapia. I think this is 3.8 pounds. Johnny's Seafood. That's my go-to. Apply liberally. Okay. I just throw it in the oven for 350 at 20 minutes. I don't worry about preheating. All right, fish is done. What do we do next? Take it out of the damn oven. That's what we do. Easy. Now we just gotta let it cool down, and we'll get it weighed out and put away. All right, so that's that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meals of fish prepared. Each one has 6 ounces. I just need to throw the rice in there when I'm done. We're good to go. My beautiful chicken titties are all done. Time to get these things weighed out. All right, the chicken's done. Looks like I got 12 of them made, so that's 6 days of food. Pretty simple, as you saw. Now I'm gonna throw rice into my fish containers. And so that's pretty much that. That took me just about 2 hours to do, but the majority of the time is actually just waiting. You saw all the work that I had to do in order to get almost a full week's worth of meals prepped. I do make my eggs every morning, and obviously I make my shake every day, but 3 of those meals are already all done for me every single day. Pretty nice, pretty simple.